Pumpkins aren't just for enjoying in sweet desserts. Oh no, pumpkin is also a great ingredient and I feel like underutilized in savory dishes. Can't think of one savory dish where pumpkin was the star? You'll watch this short video for a creamy pumpkin soup recipe that's packed with a lot of flavor and warms your soul. For the best and up-to-date vegetarian information, including yummy recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Meatless Monday. Pumpkins are so smooth and creamy. That's why they are great in desserts. The texture of pumpkins are fantastic. And the flavor of pumpkin is subtle yet distinct. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make a creamy, delicious pumpkin soup that will bring out the natural and yummy flavors that pumpkin has to offer. And guess what? You can make this soup in a slow cooker, which makes your life, well mine anyway, 10 times easier. 3 pounds pumpkin. Now you can cheat. You can use frozen cubed pumpkin, which I actually got from Walmart, and Trader Joe's actually carries them as well. 2 apples peeled and cubed, 1 onion chopped, 5 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup apple cider or apple juice, 2 tablespoons agave, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 cup coconut milk. I'm sure soup isn't the only pumpkin savory dish out there. What's your go-to savory pumpkin recipe? Comment below with the name of your favorite savory dish. Here's what you gotta do. In a 4 or 5 quart crock pot or slow cooker, combine the pumpkin, apples, onion, broth, apple cider, agave, salt, cinnamon, cardamom if you're using it, and nutmeg. Cover and cook on low for 8 to 9 hours if you're using fresh pumpkin, or 3 to 4 hours if you're using frozen pumpkin. Using an immersion blender, puree the pumpkin in the slow cooker, or you can transfer the soup in small batches to a food processor or blender. Once pureed, return the soup back to the slow cooker if you're using a blender. Stir in the coconut milk. Cover and cook on low for another 20 to 30 minutes. Stir and serve. This soup is very tasty, and the coconut and apple flavors really add that extra layer of flavor that helps the natural pumpkin flavors come to life. Serve this up with a large hunk of bread for dipping or slopping. Want another pumpkin recipe that you can enjoy for breakfast? Check out my vegan pumpkin chia seed overnight pudding recipe video by clicking the link below. Don't you just love crock pot cooking? Now you know exactly how to make a creamy pumpkin soup. So try serving this soup as a starter at your next holiday dinner. Who knew? Need more vegetarian and vegan recipes ideas? I have written, especially for you, a vegetarian cookbook titled 10 Delicious Meat-Free Dishes to help you cook and enjoy more plant-based food. Simply visit the link below to claim your free copy. Also, if you want to join a community of other peeps who are on their own personal vegetarian and vegan journey just like you, then I encourage you to join our Facebook page where I share up-to-date vegetarian news and tips, techniques, and tools for a vegetarian like you. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow vegetarians, vegans, and flexitarians. And of course, comment below with questions, how you made this pumpkin soup your own, or let me know if there are any other video recipes you would like to see me cook here. Thank you so much for your time today. And here's the tips, techniques, and tools to helping a vegetarian like you. Until next time, take care.